Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI rental application and tenant screening assistant in n8n. This workflow is built for landlords, property managers, real estate operators, and rental agencies that still screen applicants manually from messages, forms, emails, and spreadsheets. By the end of this workflow, you will have an automation that receives a rental application from Telegram, extracts the applicant's details with ChatGPT, and saves the application in Google Sheets. It then runs a credit and background check, scores the applicant, flags red risks, notifies the landlord, confirms receipt to the applicant, and sends a reference check email to the previous landlord. Step 1. New applicant message. The workflow starts with the Telegram trigger node. It listens for new rental application messages from applicants. Applicants can send details like name, income, rent, and rental history. This creates a single automated entry point instead of manual data entry. Step 2. Extract message data. Next, this node extracts the raw Telegram message details. It captures the applicant's chat ID, applicant message, applicant name, and Telegram username. This gives the workflow clean message metadata before sending the application text to AI. Step 3. Parse application data AI. This ChatGPT node reads the applicant's message and extracts structured rental application data, turning a free text rental inquiry into clean, usable fields like name, email, phone number, employment details, income, rent expectations, and previous landlord information. This is where an unstructured applicant message becomes a proper tenant application record, ready to be stored, scored, and processed in the rest of the workflow. Step 4. Parse AI output. This code node parses the AI response. It cleans the structured output from ChatGPT and prepares the data for the next Google Sheets step. This makes sure the extracted application data can be saved correctly. Step 5. Save application to sheet. This Google Sheets node saves the rental application into the sheet. It appends the applicant details, income, rent amount, contact information, previous landlord information, and application status into the rental screening tracker. This creates the database record for the applicant. Step 6. Credit and background check. This HTTP request node runs the credit and background check. It sends the applicant data to a credit or background check endpoint and receives results like credit score, background check status, provider name, check timestamp, and any flags. In the demo, the applicant passes the check and returns a clear status with a credit score. Step 7. Score and flag red flags AI. This ChatGPT node evaluates the applicant. It combines the extracted application data with the credit and background check result, then creates a screening score, red flags, summary, and recommendation. For example, it can assess income to rent ratio, rental history, credit status, background check result, and overall tenant fit. Step 8. Parse scoring output. This code node parses the AI scoring response. It extracts the score, red flags, recommendation, summary, and credit check status into clean fields. This prepares the screening decision for the sheet update and notifications. Step 9. Update application score. This Google Sheets node updates the applicant record. It writes the AI screening score, red flags, recommendation, summary, credit check status, and final screening status back into the sheet. At this point, the application is no longer just submitted, it has been screened and ranked. Step 10. Notify landlord new ranked applicant. After the score is updated, this Telegram node notifies the landlord. It sends the landlord a ranked applicant summary with the applicant details, AI score, risk level, recommendation, and screening summary. This gives the landlord a quick decision-ready view without opening the spreadsheet. Step 11. Confirm receipt to applicant. This Telegram node sends a confirmation message back to the applicant. It tells the applicant that their rental application has been received and is now being reviewed. This gives the applicant instant confirmation instead of waiting for a manual reply. Step 12. Has previous landlord email. This if node checks whether the applicant provided a previous landlord email. If an email exists, the workflow moves to the reference check path. If not, the reference check path is skipped. This prevents the workflow from sending incomplete reference requests. Step 13. Send reference check email. If the previous landlord email is available, this Gmail node sends a reference check request. The email asks the previous landlord to verify the applicant's rental history, payment behavior, tenancy duration, and property care. This automates one of the slowest parts of tenant screening. Step 14. Extract reference response. This ChatGPT node processes the reference response. It reads the previous landlord's reply and extracts the key reference details, such as whether the tenant paid on time, maintained the property, caused complaints, or is recommended for future tenancy. Step 15. Parse reference output. This code node parses the AI extracted reference result. It turns the landlord's response into structured fields that can be saved back into the screening sheet. Step 16. Update reference response in sheet. This Google Sheets node updates the applicant's record with the reference check result. It stores the previous landlord response, reference status, and any important notes so the property manager has a complete screening record. That's the complete AI rental application and tenant screening assistant workflow. It receives applicant messages from Telegram, extracts tenant details with ChatGPT, saves applications in Google Sheets, runs a credit and background check, scores the applicant, updates the screening tracker, and notifies the landlord while also confirming receipt to the applicant. It also sends reference check emails, processes reference responses, and alerts the team if anything fails. This ensures end-to-end automation of the rental screening process. For landlords, property managers, and real estate teams, this means faster screening, fewer manual follow-ups, cleaner applicant records, and better decision-making before moving a tenant forward. I'm Rahul Joshi. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free school community. Links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this. See you in the next one.